Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Death Stranding 2 and you keep getting this crash, DXGI error device hung, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying problem on Death Stranding 2 easily. So I'll show you how to fix it on both AMD and Nvidia. So first I'll show you AMD. You're going to right click on the desktop, you're going to go into AMD software, and here you're going to go into performance, and then you're going to go into tuning. And here you're going to make sure that automatic tuning is set to default, so just don't have any overclocks or underclocks running on your graphics card. So once you do that, now it's fixed on your AMD card. If you have an Nvidia card, now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop, you're going to open up the Nvidia control panel, and then you're going to have this help button at the top of the control panel. You're going to go into it, and then you'll have a debug mode in there. You're going to click this debug mode and you're going to turn it on. What this does is resets all of the overclocks or underclocks you may have on your graphics card, and it sets your graphics card to the factory settings. Once you do that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.